society put the teachers at the top? Does it put us at the bottom, or somewhere in the middle? And we want to capture your thoughts right away. What do you think? Do you think that the society puts the teachers at the top, or do you think it is putting us at the middle or at the bottom? You have to take your own stand. Don't ask your friends what stand that person is taking. Which stand are you taking? How many of you believe that the society looks at us, the teachers, at the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. My God, 31. So let me go the other way around.
बोला था सपोर्ट दिया कुछ भी बोला इन लोग का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Ready? Ready? Test 3.
One, two.
Go slow.
And most of us, like TV, if you don't have cable, okay, forget it. If you have TV and the private softwares along with the kit is coming, multimedia kit, video games, that kit can be connected with the TV and the children can, interact with the TV by playing the games, video games. That is also an administrative of multimedia. And then corporate communications like video conferencing. You can have a video conference, by using this technology. Live sequence, you can capture it and you can record it. Lot of applications are available. And then, like video conferencing, even nowadays, the training, especially for commerce, marketing, and presentation, you can have a training. I think I have observed especially when I was in Singapore. There will not be, most of the schools, there will not be regular classroom activities. They will be prepared assignment, even online admission. They will take admission through online and they will send the admission tickets and his profiles to the online to the respective email ID, and then they will send the question papers to the respective students. Even for primary schools, they used to get the information by online. Then they will be conducting exam through online. They will send the questions to the students and in turn they will reply answers to the concerned teachers. The college will forward that answer to the respective subject teachers. In turn he will evaluate and he will send the marks to the office. After that they will send result to the student. That's how this online multimedia applications are implemented. So
Now one more person can start off. Out.
Say that it's chalked out so nicely that it is going to give all the techniques and tools to a teacher who can get the proficiency over his profession. Here I can say a few words about the different lectures we have come across throughout these sessions. So as the first 3 days were so sportively we have spent in this campus that the Panchgani team has given us so many techniques and life skills which are very important for us as a teacher. We need to follow them. So as though we have the profound knowledge in our subjects, but we were lacking some skills which are necessary for the imparting our duties. So as we know that all of us after the classroom, means after completion of our degrees, we are directly entered into the classroom for imparting our knowledge. So here the lacking is that the life skills which are very essential for us to discharge our duties. So these things we have learned here, and about this computer training, that is IT cell. The rest of the 4 days are mainly concentrated on giving the information about the information technology, that is computer training. So as we know that as a research scholars as well as the lecturers, we are already in this field. But even then, there were the few lackings are there in getting the information about the search engines and how to collect the information, and more of the we people are dependent mainly on the these journals and magazines previously to collect the information or material for preparation of the research papers or any of the concept papers to present in the seminars. But today onwards, I have got an confidence that by sitting in our college or in our lab or else at home also, we can log on to the many sites which will be very informative and which will help us to prepare for our research articles. This training went on very well from the beginning. All the lectures were very informative and thought-provoking, especially the lectures from the Dr. Rajgopal sir and Panchagani team were very interesting. One thing I would like to request you, sir, is for the topics like UGC rules and regulations and KCSR rules, there should be more time to explain. And I am very thankful to all the people which are those are behind this training program, and all the food and hospitality was very good. I am thankful to one and all.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಲಾ ಡಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಘಟ್ಟ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವ
ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟೀಮ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಜನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಹೋದಂಥವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ,